Yakisoba. Let's start with the sauce. 50 ml of soy sauce, 150 ml of water, 1 packet of vegetable bouillon powder, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch dissolved in a little water. Now mix everything together and set aside. In a hot skillet, spread 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Brown 300 grams of sirloin, season with salt and black pepper. Add half an onion, 1 cup of broccoli and cauliflower florets, half a carrot sliced, 2 cups of Chinese cabbage or regular cabbage. Stir well and add half a cup of water to wilt the vegetables. Now add the sauce that was set aside and wait for it to boil and thicken. Add 200 grams of yakisoba noodles already cooked. Finish with chopped green onions. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to enjoy all our quick and easy recipes. See you in the next video.